stuff. Like, do you agree with like paying for that promo from them platforms or no?
Well, so I'm familiar with Say Cheese, but I'm not familiar with their promo package. So what does that consist of?
So like for like let's say for $1,000 you get multiple, you get like they post you multiple times on their page,
Okay.
right? Like maybe they set it up for like every other week.
Right.
Post you on there, you get YouTube promo. That's the whole nine off the 1,000. But they
Got
got a package for like 400 where you're on there for 24 hours and that's it. You know, they have,
okay. So with Say Cheese, right? So they put you on their platform. Do you know how much traffic they're getting a month on their website?
they said that artists on their website that when they post your link, it's 25 to 40,000 views each post on new artists that aren't really, you know,
Got you.
no
Got you.
known like that. Depending on, they say it's depending on how, how hot the song is, how hot the video is. So
Right.
so it's $45 for SoundCloud on repost, 100 for Facebook, 150 one Instagram story, 425, 725, 925, and 1,000. It basically just adds everything on
The,
by
the
the
biggest package,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Got you. Here's
90
the thing.
days, 90 days.
90 days for that.
Yeah.
If you have your back end set up the right way to capture data,
Mm-hmm.
then I don't think that's a bad idea, you know. But you need to have your back end set up so that when these people are clicking to watch your video, they know to click the link in the description so that they can go into your world. Because once you get them into your world, now you're capturing all that data, and then you can start retargeting them based off of them already seeing that initial video. So I don't think it's a bad idea to pay for a specific promo
Yeah.
if you have your back end set up properly. You know what I'm saying? So that you can capture that data, take that data, and begin retargeting these people and actually turning them into real fans.
What do
Because
you mean by back end? Are you talking about like, is that like what's your middle funnel, your bottom funnel?
no, pretty much all of that, right? So with
Oh,
your back end, what I mean is have some sort of link that's pixeled, right? So that when they go and peep your YouTube, some people are gonna be extra interested and start searching the description. So make sure that you have a link that's very clear. Click this link here, all caps, to click this link here for more, something like that, right? Arrows pointing to the link. Make
that'll
sure
be like your link tree or something.
Yep, your link tree. That's what I would recommend because then you could capture that data, right? I would even go as far as adding a call to action in the video somehow, right? Maybe like a little graphic that pops up and says click the link below. If you know you're gonna go with a company that does promo, have some sort of call to action to get these people to to perform the action. I would have a black screen at the beginning of the video that says click the link in the description for more, and then I would have a black screen at the end of the video that says the same thing, because people got to be told what to do. But as far as back end goes, yeah, having some sort of link that's pixeled on the back end so that you can collect that data and then begin retargeting people. So having your middle of funnel set up already as soon as you run that promo, having that set up. So as soon as the company drops your record and people start clicking on that link, the next day they're going to start getting hit with your ads
All right.
you and bringing them into your world. That's what I mean by back end.